Networks are evolving from connectors of humanity and technology into something far more sophisticated and powerful. When networks meet cloud, everything comes alive with intelligence, enabling people, machines, and devices to interact in real time. As these high-performance networks become more consumable, more adaptable, and more autonomous, they become amplifiers. At Nokia, we accelerate digitalization, boost productivity, and increase accessibility by creating technology that helps the world act together, fueling innovation, inspiring collaboration, enhancing sustainability, and unlocking new ways of working that are reshaping the way we all live. Harness the exponential potential of networks. Transform your business to the power of N.